in continuation of this topic of heat, these are the objectives of this lesson we are going to study in this chapter. Especially, what are the things? How do you feel the things? That is identification of hot, cold and warm bodies. Hot, cold and warm bodies. You see different type of ingredients, different type of dishes, different types of materials in your home, that you feel that, oh mama, it's cold, it's hot. So that shows that you are feeling something, and what you are feeling, that is nothing, that is the heat. Okay. Second thing, in this chapter we are going to study, that is heat as a transfer of energy. It is a source of energy, it is nothing. It is a source of energy. You feel warm or cold according to the material. Next is differentiate between heat and temperature. Is heat and temperature same thing? We will study here, and about how the heat can be measured, that is with the help of clinical and laboratory thermometer. These will be our objectives. We will continuously go for these different short topics which will be very clear to you after this lecture. So, according to NCERT, you are having a table 4.1. You are having table 4.1, which shows that how do you feel the things. This table includes different items, that suppose ice cream in your cup, tea, coffee, and then mango shake, and then other things, and you can write whether it is cold or whether it is hot. Is it clear to you? So you will fill this table after this lecture in your notebooks. Next main thing is sources of heat. Here you can see that from the sun we are getting heat. All of you know, and sun is the ultimate source of energy for you people. So you can write here that ultimate source of energy or heat is sun in this universe. Okay. And next, you can see the different things around you. These are showing you the sources of heat. So you can write here your topic, that what is sources of heat. Anything that gives off heat is a source of heat. What is source? Source means जहाँ से आपको वो चीज़ मिलती है. That is source से हमारी तरफ आ रही है. Means we are the sink. We are using that source. So there are the main sources of heat. That is sun, electricity, fire, everything you see, which you can feel that you are giving, that is giving you energy in one form or different forms. Okay. So these are the sources. Here some children do this experiment when they play during hot summers, especially. You take this magnifying glass. It is easily available in our laboratory, or you can see it is available with the dentist also. So this lens, when they put here this lens under the sun and keep a carbon paper or simple paper, these rays are converged to a single point, and here something will happen. Can you think of it? What will happen? This will show you what happens. In the next slide you will see here, oh, it catches fire. So it means when the rays converge to a single point, so heating energy increases. When heating energy increases, the paper gets burned. Okay. So here we can prove that what is sun? It is a source of heat. And what is the effect? It is burning the paper. So here it is source, here it is the phenomena, and here it is the result with you that proves that you are using heat of sun in this activity. Okay. So there are also some other sources you see in your kitchen. Your mom cooks food, that is gas burner, wood and coal. Okay. Traditional. These are the traditional methods we use to cook food. And you have in Punjab you see that in Lodi we burn these, in Diwali we burn crackers. They are also the source of heat. Okay. So you can write the different sources of heat in your notebook. Ma'am, this is a source of heat, this is a source of heat. Okay, everything is done here. Next slide will show us the other sources of heat. You are are getting your environment, that is atmosphere, is getting polluted. Why? It is due to the heat produced by these vehicles. Why? Because these vehicles are using what? Fuel. The burning of fuel produce heat. Similarly, the other modes of transport, in other modes of transport, you are also, you can say that they are the emitting the heat in one form or different form. Okay. Here you are seeing the two children. You usually use this. You take ice cream, you take tea, coffee, kahwa, anything else. So can you tell me what is this? Is ice cream hot? Oh no man, it is cold. So it is flow of, it is showing why it is melting. When you take ice cream for some time in your hand, it starts melting. Why it is so? It means it was cold earlier and then some heat is disappearing. कुछ हीट इसमें से जा रही है जिसकी वजह से उसका मेल्टिंग होना स्टार्ट हो गया. Similarly, when you take a cup of coffee or tea, when you put this cup on the table, after some time, this coffee get cold. Something you say, oh, it is not getting good taste, mama. Please go and reheat it. So they are showing the different flows of heat. When you take a sip, you say, oh, it's very hot. Means your lips are not at that temperature. At the which temperature this tea or coffee is. So the heat is flowing. In next slide. So what is flow of heat? When the heat energy flows from outside into our body is rapid and more we feel very hot. क्या होता है जब आपको गर्मी लगती है, आप पंखा चलाते हो, एसी चलाते हो, क्यों चलाते हो? So you want to get cooling effects. So आपको पसीना आता है, perspiration, तो क्या होता है? It loses the heat of your body and you feel cool. Okay, so heat is the flowing from one part to other part. In next slide, suppose you are taking cold water and hot water. Here one activity is there in your NCERT book, that is activity number 4.1. Here it has taken different tumblers. You can take 3 glasses at your home, the Borosil glass or anyone else. In one glass, you will take hot water, in other cold water, and you can mix that. That activity you will do yourself. I am showing you with this activity. Okay, you are taking cold water and hot milk. So जब बच्चा छोटा होता है तो मम्मी वो रो रहा होता है कि मम्मा मुझे दूध चाहिए, वो रोने का मतलब क्या है? He is demanding milk और मम्मी से फटाफट ठंडा नहीं होता, तो मम्मी क्या करेगी? या तो उसको बड़े बर्तन में डालेगी तो सरफेस एरिया बढ़ेगा, फटाफट से ठंडा हो जाएगा, बड़ी थाली में डाल देगी. Otherwise, he will put. So let me show in the next slide. He or she, whatever the person is, mom or dad, वो क्या करेंगे? दूध के ग्लास को उस पानी वाली कटोरी में या बर्तन में या बाउल में रख देंगे. अब क्या होगा? दूध जल्दी से ठंडा हो जाएगा. क्यों? So what does these arrows indicates? These arrows are indicating that heat is getting transferred from hot object to cold object. Means the direction of flow of heat is from hot to cold. Hot to cold. This is very important word. You have to write it here. The direction of heat of flow is from hot object to cold object. Means it is dissipating its heat, distributing its energy to the colder objects. That's why this milk is getting at some normal temperature. Okay, next. So what is temperature? अभी आपने सुन लिया कि it is due to the temperature is getting lower. ठीक है, तो आपको पता नहीं, हमें क्या पता टेम्परेचर क्या होता है? तो बच्चे बोलेंगे मैम वी डोंट नो व्हाट इज टेम्परेचर. हीट का तो समझ में आया, कोल्ड है और हॉट है. सो व्हाट इज टेम्परेचर? टेम्परेचर इज नथिंग, कि कितना गर्म है कितना ठंडा है उसको मापना कैसे है. सो दैट इज मेजरमेंट. दैट वर्ड इज, यू विल यूज हियर द वर्ड मेजरमेंट ऑफ हॉटनेस और coldness of an object is known as temperature. Okay, so we are taking ice and here we are taking hot water. What will happen? So let's see in the next slide. So when we are mixing it, so we will get a lukewarm water. Similarly in your washrooms, what do you do in winters? अब बोलते मम्मा गीजर चला दो, गीजर चलाया तो सीधा सा बकेट में पानी डालो, सीधा नहा लोगे. नो नो नो, इट्स वेरी हॉट. सो यू विल मिक्स hot and cold water. So hot water will transfer some heat to the cold water and you will get a optimum temperature according to your conditions or your requirement, and you will use that water for bath. Okay, so that is hot body. Previous slide please. So hot body is at higher temperature than a cool body. Clear? So hot body का temperature ज़्यादा होगा as compared to cool body. The cool body or the cold things are at low temperature, whereas hot objects will show you higher degree of temperature. So what is temperature now? It is just nothing. It is a measurement of hotness or coldness of an object. Okay. अब इसको देखना कैसे है कि टेम्परेचर को कैसे पता चलेगा कि किसका ज़्यादा है और किसका कम है. So we will use a device that is with the thermometer. So when substance is heated, its temperature rises. तो आपको कैसे पता चलेगा कि टेम्परेचर बढ़ गया? On cooling, the temperature comes down. आप कहते हो बर्फ जमाई थी और बर्फ तो ठंडी है तो उसका टेम्परेचर कम है. पानी बॉयल किया था तो वो आपको गर्म लग रहा है, तो कैसे होगा ये? So we will use a device that is known as thermometer. So before going to the thermometer, let's revise what is the difference between heat and temperature. So what is heat? आपने देखा, सन देखा, फायर देखी, ऑटोमोबाइल्स देखे. So that is nothing. It is a form of energy. तो आपको ये भी पता चल गया कि heat energy raises the temperature of a body. Is it clear? Heat energy raises the temperature of a body. और इसको ये आप बड़ी क्लासेस में पढ़ोगे. How heat is measured? तो इसके यूनिट्स है जॉल्स. जैसे आप मापते हो ना कितने किलोग्राम है, भैया कपड़ा देना 2 मीटर, तो वो मीटर में लेंथ में होती है. मास का किस में होता है? किलोग्राम में. चीनी लेने जाते हो तो ये थोड़ी बोलोगे 2 जॉल्स चीनी दे दो. आप बोलोगे 2 kg शुगर चाहिए. कपड़ा लेने जाओगे तो क्या बोलोगे? 2 किलो कपड़ा दे दो. वो बोलोगे 2 meters cloth, we are in need of 2 meter cloth. So heat is measured in joules. Okay. So जहाँ पे हम लिख रहे हैं हीट इज अ फॉर्म ऑफ एनर्जी, तो उस एनर्जी को, उस हीट को कैसे मेजर करना है? दैट इज विद द हेल्प ऑफ टेम्परेचर. सो व्हाट इज टेम्परेचर? इट इज अ मेजर ऑफ हीट एनर्जी लेवल. ओके. सो टेम्परेचर डिसाइड्स द डायरेक्शन ऑफ फ्लो ऑफ हीट, दैट इज फ्रॉम अ बॉडी एट हायर टेम्परेचर टू द बॉडी एट लो टेम्परेचर. वो जैसे आपने देखा कि पानी मिक्स किया, तो पानी मिक्स करने के बाद क्या हो गया? दोनों का ल्यूकवार्म वाटर बन गया. ओके. सो टेम्परेचर को हम किस में मेजर करते हैं? डॉक्टर के पास आपने देखा ना कैसे मेजर करता है. सेल्सियस, 2 यूनिट्स आर देयर, सेल्सियस एंड केल्विन. नेक्स्ट. सो व्हाट इज क्लिनिकल थर्मोमीटर? डॉक्टर ये थर्मोमीटर आपके मुंह में डालता जब आप जाते हो कि मुझे टेम्परेचर है चेक करना है. सो व्हाट इज दिस थर्मोमीटर डूइंग? इट इज मेजरिंग द टेम्परेचर ऑफ योर बॉडी. So temperature is measured by a device that is called thermometer. In this chapter we will discuss about the different types of thermometer. So this type of thermometer used by physicians or doctors is called clinical thermometer. आपने बहुत सारे लोगों ने ये देखा भी होगा. Let's have a look at this thermometer. So you will see here. So this thermometer is consist of a glass tube like structure with a different ranges of temperature, and at the tip the bulb is there. In next slide, let's see. So this will be labeled as bulb and this is glass tube. Graduated glass tube. Graduated means it is having the marking of the different ranges of temperature. Okay. So in this, what is filled here? Mercury. What is filled here? Mercury. So mercury level will rises if the temperature will rise. Next. Okay. Next, reading temperature from a clinical thermometer. तो आपको कुछ प्रिकॉशंस लेनी पड़ेगी. डॉक्टर भी लेते हैं. अगर आपने घर में भी थर्मोमीटर रखा तो क्या करना है? नंबर 1, इसको वॉश करना है अच्छे से, यूज करने से पहले. सो इट शुड बी वॉश्ड बिफोर एंड आफ्टर. ओके. सेकेंड, तो आपने देखा होगा डॉक्टर के पास कुछ डिवाइस ही होती है, जैसे कुछ उसने बॉटल रखी है या बीकर रखा है, उस बीकर में कुछ कॉटन रखा होगा, उस कॉटन में हल्का सा एंटीसेप्टिक मिक्स किया होता है ताकि इसको एंटीसेप्टिक सोल्यूशन में डाला जाए, सो दैट दिस विल नॉट going to infect the other person. If the someone is having a problem, that same thermometer should not be used before using antiseptic solution. Second is, you don't have to touch it at its tip, that is bulb. इसके बल्ब से टच नहीं करना है आपको। और जब आप टेम्परेचर नोट करते हो, थर्ड थिंग क्या है, नोट करते टाइम भी बल्ब को पहले हाथ नहीं लगाना। क्यों? क्योंकि उससे टेम्परेचर की रीडिंग क्या हो जाएगी, चेंज हो जाएगी। और क्या देखना आपको कि मर्करी लेवल दैट शुड बी बिलो 95 डिग्री फ़ारेनहाइट। सो क्या प्रिकॉशंस हुई? नंबर 1, इसको वॉश करना है बिफोर यूज एंड आफ्टर यूज। नंबर 2, डोंट टच एट द बल्ब। नंबर 3, इट शुड बी रेगुलरली पुट इन एंटीसेप्टिक सोल्यूशन आफ्टर, what is after use, okay, and then the temperature range should be measured properly. And this mercury is highly poisonous. If the bulb breaks and someone touches that mercury, so it can be fatal for that person, ठीक है, डेथ भी हो सकती है। नेक्स्ट, सो हैंडल द थर्मोमीटर विद केयर, ओके। सो चारों प्रिकॉशंस आपको याद रहेंगी, ओके। सो नेक्स्ट स्लाइड इज लेबोरेटरी थर्मोमीटर। ये थर्मोमीटर, अब वो जो डॉक्टर वाला थर्मोमीटर है, दैट थर्मोमीटर कांट बी यूज्ड फॉर लैब पर्पसेस। सो ऐसा नहीं है कि हम वो क्लिनिकल थर्मोमीटर उठाएं तो अपने एक्सपेरिमेंट के लिए यूज़ कर दें। वी हैव टू यूज दिस थर्मोमीटर, दैट इज लेबोरेटरी थर्मोमीटर। दिस थर्मोमीटर विल गिव यू अ रेंज टू, व्हाट इज, टू note down the temperature of different experimental solutions. See next, लेबोरेटरी थर्मोमीटर, इसकी रेंज देखो कितनी होती है, -10 डिग्री टू 110 डिग्री सेल्सियस। सो हियर इज एक्टिविटी इन योर NCERT also. So you can use ice or any solution in your home, and you can put it in a beaker and then put this clinical thermometer. It will give the range up to which it can measure. It can be up to -10 degrees. So you can use with the experiment with the different solutions at home also, in laboratory also. Next, so laboratory thermometer is used for measuring the temperature in a science laboratory, not for measuring the temperature of human body. ठीक है, तो दोनों टेम्परेचर मेजर करने की डिवाइसेस जरूर हैं, बट क्लिनिकल इज डिफरेंट एंड लेबोरेटरी थर्मोमीटर इज डिफरेंट। ओके, so like this, when we heat any material or any solution, so its temperature will naturally rise. When you are heating, its temperature will rise. So here you will put this. Next, you will put laboratory thermometer and you can note down the temperature of that particular solution in the laboratory. Okay, next. So अब आपको क्या क्या पता चल गया? आपको नंबर 1, you feel cold, warm and hot. So let's summarize now what we have learnt now. So this is कि आपको पता है कि कौन सी चीज़ गर्म है, कौन सी ठंडी है, कौन सी ल्यूकवार्म है। नहीं, और आपको क्या पता चला? जब पानी मिक्स किया तो आपको पता चल गया द हीट इज ट्रांसफर्ड फ्रॉम हॉट टू कोल्ड ऑब्जेक्ट्स। सो व्हाट इज टेम्परेचर? हीट को मेजर करने के लिए हम क्या वर्ड यूज करेंगे? दैट इज टेम्परेचर। सो टेम्परेचर क्या बताता है? इट शोज द हॉटनेस एंड कोल्डनेस ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट. So what is thermometer? Well, how many types of thermometers are there? Laboratory and clinical. Clinical is used, as the name indicates, that it is used in clinics or by the doctors. So it measures your body temperature. So note down this range. It range is from 95 to 107 degree. So one activity is there in your NCERT book. You will write the name of your family persons or your neighbors. In this lockdown, you will just note down the names of your family members, mother, father, and you will note down the temperature range of their body. Okay. Then laboratory thermometer. So you will note down this range is from -10 degree to 110 degree Celsius. Is it clear to all of you? For any query, you can call me at any time. You are most welcome. Thank you and have a nice day.